All right, what's going on, guys? So as you can tell, we are gonna be. It's been snowing outside. We've actually had 5 snowstorms. We had one starting in December, like probably December 5th. It was a light snow. It was like only a couple inches. After that week, we got a snowstorm, a light one. All we had to do was do a little stuff. But the next day, we got another big one, so we ended up plowing and everything. And then we got another one last week. Over the weekend, there was one during the winter break, and it was not bad. It was okay. All we had to do was just use the leaf blower to clean up the driveway, but we got a blizzard, and we had 2 days off from school, so we got a 4-day weekend. But anyways, I got the snow blower here. I don't have the 721. I know you guys have seen it in an older video of the 721. There's the snapper. I'm using the old school. Well, not the old school. I had the 518 right here. It's got the electric start, and I have an old one out here. You guys have probably seen all my snow blowers. If you go back further back into my channel, you've seen them all running. I haven't used. The only one you probably see me use is the 721, which I don't have, and I'm gonna get some footage of that later. I don't have it on me, but I'm gonna get some footage of it later of me using it. But here's the old one. This one takes mixed gasoline. So yeah, after the snowstorm, I did a little bit of pushing, but not too much. So yeah, there's still some I have to do. We might even have to shovel some of our way out. See if it's pushable. Down by the walkway, I have a huge pile from the plows. I'm gonna see if I can use a little one over here because it's gonna be easier on me to use. And then I'm gonna see, and then we can get that one out. Get a lot of snow footage for you. Yeah. So I got the GoPro. We're gonna go ahead and get it mounted. Brady's gonna film as well. So yeah, see you in a minute. Okay, so I'm just getting the GoPro mounted on here. Widen this up a little bit so it'll fit. Yeah, a tough fit. We can get it to fit. Ugh, busted it. Okay, so I'm gonna hold on to this rubber piece. Put it in my pocket because I don't need it right now. I'm just gonna put it on like this, plastic form. Okay. Mount it. Screwing it on. Let's see how it looks. Pretty good. All right, so we're gonna cut to the chase. I don't want to make this video too long for you, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the camera. I'm gonna cut a little bit out of this. I might speed the footage up because it's probably gonna be a little bit. So yeah, let's get to work.